Hey, I'm Ernest with UpFix. If you're driving a Ford F-Series truck, a Ford Excursion, an E-Series van, or an International Navistar vehicle with a 7.3-liter Power Stroke engine, and your engine is misfiring, running rough, losing power, or even stalling, chances are your Injector driver module, otherwise known as the IDM, could be the culprit. You might also notice poor fuel efficiency or your engine dying and restarting without issue. Stick around as we break down how the IDM works, the common failure symptoms, and how to get it repaired without the high cost of replacement. IDM is a critical part of your diesel truck or van's fuel system. It controls the signal sent to the fuel injectors, ensuring proper timing and fuel delivery for optimal engine performance. Now, without a functioning IDM, your truck's engine performance can suffer, causing issues like rough idle, stalling, misfires, and even loss of power. Let's talk about the vehicles this IDM is commonly found in. The Injector driver module we're discussing is found in these specific Ford and International Navistar vehicles, mainly those equipped with the 7.3-liter Power Stroke engine. On the screen you'll see all the vehicles that are equipped with this specific IDM. These vehicles rely on the IDM to deliver precise injector control for engine performance, and when the IDM starts to fail, it can cause a variety of frustrating symptoms. If your vehicle is experiencing any of the following issues, there's a good chance the IDM is to blame. Engine running rough, injector misfiring issues, loss of power, engine suddenly dies, the vehicle runs okay, and then restarts without any issue, or lastly, a sudden decrease in fuel efficiency. You might even have these error codes when you have an issue with the IDM. These codes indicate problems within the IDM and its ability to manage the injectors, which can affect engine performance, fuel economy, and more. The IDM modules are usually mounted in the engine compartment, making them vulnerable to environmental damage. Here are 3 of the most common causes of IDM failure. 1. Water ingress. The IDM has an air vent built into the casing, and moisture can seep in through this air vent. Once water or moisture gets inside, it can quickly damage the internal components of the module, often resulting in a no-start condition. 2. Wiring harness issues. The wiring harness running between the IDM and injectors is exposed to extreme heat, vibration, and even contamination from grease and oil. Over time, this exposure can cause the protective coating around the wires to break down, leading to intermittent or permanent electrical shorts, which can severely damage the IDM and injectors. And 3. Internal component failure. Over time, the internal components of the IDM can deteriorate due to prolonged exposure to high temperatures, vibration, and electrical stresses. This internal wear can lead to complete module failure, where the IDM fails to communicate properly with the injectors, causing a host of engine performance issues. Before diving into repair, here are a few things you can check to help identify if the IDM is indeed the problem. Inspect wiring and connectors. Check for loose, frayed, or corroded wires. A poor electrical connection can cause the IDM to malfunction. Check IDM fuses and relays. A blown fuse or faulty relay might cut off power to the IDM. Make sure these are intact and functional. Scan for error codes. Using an OBD2 scan tool, check for specific codes that you see on this screen. Replacing your IDM with another unit can be costly, and used IDMs often come with the same issues as the one you're replacing. Plus, new and used IDMs often need to be programmed to match your truck's unique settings, which adds even more cost. Repairing your original IDM is the smartest choice. Since it's already programmed to your vehicle specifications, it's less likely to suffer the same failures as a used replacement part. By refurbishing your original IDM, you can save hundreds of dollars and avoid the headache dealing with the replacement module that could fail down the line. We also provide a 1-year warranty on all repairs, with the option to extend it to 3 or 5 years for added peace of mind. Once we receive your IDM, our certified repair technicians will verify the issue and confirm that we can repair it. We typically complete the repair within 3 to 5 business days, so you can get your vehicle back on the road as quickly as possible. If your Ford or International Navistar vehicle is showing signs of IDM failure, don't wait to address it. Visit UpFix.com and check out our specialized IDM repair services. Send us your module and our certified repair technicians will repair it and get it back to you quickly. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Do you have any questions? Leave them down in the comments below and we'll be happy to assist. Don't let a faulty IDM hold you back. Repair it today with UpFix.